Fin I feed the mains, I was barely 16. My job was to canal mere the cad queen. I cut off the weeds and I spread the manure, and carted out muck at the mains of Drummuir. New mains was an elder, a God-fearing man, and cussing and swearing he never could stand. But he often forgot to be kind to the poor. Horse and man had to suffer at the mains of Drummuir. In the stable or kitchie, though tackina met, we were aye tearing on, be it early or late. Had 'em off o' the einregs, then allows for a sure. The sun was aye shining at the mains o' Drummuir. We howd in our ailskids, cold high in the dark. We led in the main and we thrashed in the dark. And for a' minor ailments, all mains had a cure. It was salts and let at the mains o' Drummuir. He had a bonny dochter, her name it was Nell. She'd 50 admirers, including mysel, but I had nae hope, oh that I was sure. We had aim like the maiden at the mains o' Drummuir. When the term time come round, the billies would flit, but I couldna leave Nell, so I had to sit. But I got a step up, for progress was sure, till I was the foreman at the mains o' Drummuir. Well, I saved up my pennies in hungin and vrocht, and hunkies and sweeties to Nelly I bocht. Sometimes she was charmin', sometimes she was sour, a rose or a surix at the mains o' Drummuir. Well, mains were awa and left a thing to Nell, so she feed me for grief to her mam and hersel. I was shepherd and bailey o'er a man and chauffeur, and general factotum at the mains o' Drummuir. Sae Nelly grew old and grew rank o' the teeth, and her last hope had gone wi' a teacher fae Keith. So then she took me, saying, "Now I'll be sure there'll aye be a man at the mains o' Drummuir." Well, that's a' my story, that's the end o' my song. When I'm nae about him, something's bound to go wrong. So it's an o'er my Bentley, and hame words I'll score, for the lads mak me slopin' at the mains o' Drummuir. The mains o' Drummuir be Frank Hendry. Thanks for watching.